Alright, let's see. You're gonna be doing the alternator on this 2010 Toyota Corolla. Hoping I got the right angle right here. So let's get to it. We have a 10mm here. You're gonna take that out. It's the first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery and take this out. Then you have a, see, am I getting this? Yeah, you have a connector. The clip is on the right side. And then I'm gonna take this. Take this out and keep it like this. So this is the tensioner, and tensioner is held by 12mm here and 12mm there. So get the 12mm. Fix my camera. Okay, so this one's loose. We're gonna have to do this one after, but before we do that, there's this 12mm down there as well. Is that a 12? I think it's a 14. I'll leave this here. Get a 14. The nut in question is that one right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. See? Yeah, it pops. It's right there. Alright, now you want to get a electrical powered ratchet or one of these impacts so you can undo this. Oops. That was actually too long of a socket. So notice how the belt is loose now. Okay, I'm gonna keep the belt like this. Now we're gonna get the ratchet and take this out. Just keep it like this. 14mm. Remove the lower one. Okay. Most of it is loose. Come on. Okay. I think I need a shorter 14. Okay, so here's where the 14 is now. That's how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see it. It doesn't hit anything when it comes out. So now we want to bring this. Okay, so we have this to take out because this plate is in the way, and it's a 12mm. Oops, it's this one. So we can put this here. Alternator has enough place to come out. I'm gonna wiggle it up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. Alternator completely comes out. Like so. You want to make sure this rivet right here is all the way flat, because otherwise it won't fit here. This space right here comes in between here. So faces this way. Always want to make sure you're looking where it's going. That's good. You want to grab the biggest one and you want to align the lower side first. I'm gonna put in a couple threads. Good, a couple threads in. I'm gonna take this shit. Alright, the way you know you aligned it right is that you would flip this one and you would align it inside. There we go, now it's exactly where it's supposed to be. And we move to tightening. By the way, you tighten this entire arm after you tightened everything. And that's a trick you should know. Kinda wanna make it a little bit loose. Just a little bit more. Alright. Now we plug this in, put this back. The respective nut. Please tell me that's a 10 millimeter. It is. Okay. Okay, we're gonna drive the lower one in just a little bit. We're not gonna tighten it. Okay, it's still not tight because the rivet has to hold on it first. So, alright, we're gonna move to putting the belt back. Make sure it's on the water pump before you put it back. Okay, it's on the water pump, it's on crank pulley. There's no power steering in this car, so it's probably electric. Okay, make sure this is on the rail right here. That's how you know you got tension. I'm gonna tighten this. Too much. Okay, so now that now that the lower one is on there, what we're gonna do is, oops, where's my long 14? Huh. Put it back. Am I tripping? There was another 14 here. We're gonna get the long 14 right here. See how easily this goes in? It's gonna be a little bit soft, and then once the rivet bottoms out, it will start getting hard. Here we go. It did bottom out. Now, by the way, if you're asking how much tension, well, just see this much play right here. That's all you need. Don't tighten it more. Okay. This is tightened good, and now we have to tighten this. Okay, good to go. Just cover. Goes back right here, and voila, that's it. Sweet. Alright, so just got everything done. As you guys saw, I put everything back, and I'm gonna go start it. Battery was dead because the alternator ran it out. Look at that. No battery light on the dash. Just the maintenance required and TPMS, but maintenance required is just a reminder. I care about a check engine light and a battery light, and we don't have any of them, so that's pretty good. Alright, if you guys have any other questions, please let me know. This is it for the video, and see you later.